Hey, 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 my beautiful Two Chicks fam. It's me, Carl, and I am back with the non-phone work when you want. No talking, no experience, no interview company. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and share because we are so close to 95,000 subscribers. And once we reach this number, somebody on this YouTube channel is going to win a free laptop from the Two Chicks with the Side Hustle brand. Let us know in the comments what type of work from home job or side hustle you guys are looking for. Be sure to sign up for branded surveys and don't forget to go back, check out the Walmart video. This is a no interview company. Guys, make sure you apply. Get that egg in your basket. Now let's jump in. So we've talked about this company before, SigTrack. This is a non-phone, no talking, no interview, no experience. I don't even think you need a resume for this one. We had a young lady here from one of our live streams that stated she made $800 with this company. Guys, go over to Google, type in SigTrack, see what comes up about the company. Go to Facebook, search for a SigTrack group so you guys can see how to maximize and make money from this website. You can get paid to key in those voters' registrations. So it says here, SigTrack is a database application that links the grassroots campaigns with the crowdsourced data entry freelancers. The requirements: access to voter data is restricted by law. Every user must provide proof of U.S. residency. They don't contract in California or Massachusetts. The requirements: Windows 10, 11, or a Mac. So if you have a Mac, high-speed internet, single 4K monitor, or a second 1080p monitor, then you can apply for this one. The link will be posted right below the video in the description box so you guys can check out SigTrack. Be sure again, guys, to do some research. YouTube is somebody probably has a way of making money from this website. Also, guys, don't forget to share the video. Somebody out there is looking for a non-phone, no interview side hustle such as this one. So make sure you share, share, share. Don't forget to come back, leave us a comment. Hop over to Facebook, join the best group. It is Kiss That Cubicle Goodbye, where we are posting these legitimate work from home jobs, side gigs, and side hustles each and every single day. All you got to do, guys, is join and then invite, because somebody over there is also going to win a beautiful brand new laptop from the Two Chicks with the Side Hustle brand. We recently joined a new platform. It is called Rumble. So make sure you guys join us over there at rumble.com and also follow the Instagram and the Twitter, Two Chicks with the Side Hustle. My name is Carol, and I will catch you beautiful, lovely, amazing people in the next video.